So you always, when you sell to someone with owner financing, you're doing a wrap because you already have a loan on the property. You, and this is also another wording for this is called subject to, which we're going to get into it more, but you selling it to your buyer, you want to put in the document that you want the first right of refusal. What does this mean? Well, it means that if your buyer ever wants to sell, they have to offer it to you first, right? So let's say this property, your buyer's had it for 10 years. And in 10 years, I don't know, they may, whatever they still owe, 50,000. I mean, we don't, let's say 50,000 they owe. But this property is worth a lot more now. What if they have an emergency and they need cash now? They have to offer it to you first. And if they find a buyer somewhere else, they have to say, look, I know you have first right of refusal. I have this offer I want to accept because I need to sell it. This is your buyer talking. I need to sell it. I need this cash. Someone gave me an offer for 70,000, when in reality, this property is worth over 100. You, as being the rep lender, have the first right of refusal to say, you know what? I'll beat that 70,000. I'll give you 71.